Some people say you can't have it all. Well, they obviously haven't seen this one yet. Here, we have the perfect rooms for every mood, meal, and memory.
It was just two lovers, sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish, no Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother, like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you.
As you can see, this home truly has been reimagined for real life. My name is Kathleen Luck. Please reach out to myself or Natalie here at LOYLE. We would love to show you more of this truly beautiful opportunity.